Hey, it's Elliot and welcome back to a new video. So a question I get asked so often is, how do I buy cryptocurrency? So if you are into trading, you probably know, but for all the other people, how do you actually buy cryptocurrencies? I'm going to show you a step-by-step process in this video with the platforms I'm using, why I'm using them, and a very simple way to buy Bitcoins, Ethereum, Stellars, etc. Now, I really recommend you to stay until the end of this video because I will give my personal opinion about buying cryptocurrencies. Is it a good idea? Is it something you should do? So make sure to watch this video until the end. Okay, so the platform I am personally using to buy and sell cryptocurrencies is called Coinbase Pro. So first of all, you will need to open an account on Coinbase, okay? So Coinbase is one of the biggest companies to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And basically Coinbase Pro is something not a lot of people use. However, you will have less fees when trading, when buying and selling cryptocurrency. So this is why I recommend it. So you need to create your account with Coinbase. You will need your passport, you will need your phone number, your email, some details about yourself, etc. And once you have your Coinbase account set up, then you will simply go to Coinbase Pro. You will be able to log in on Coinbase Pro using your Coinbase account. It's the absolutely same thing. So once you have your Coinbase account set up, you will be able to access Coinbase Pro, which will look like this, okay? So now, the first thing you will have to do is basically deposit or withdraw some money, okay? This is the main important thing. So you can deposit in various different ways, okay? So obviously for most people that will want to acquire and buy Bitcoins, they will go ahead and deposit money in euros or deposit money in dollars, in yen, whatever your country is in. But for other people, you may want to deposit Bitcoins if you already have some in another account, in another wallet that you can just send to this Bitcoin address. And if not yet, depositing euros or dollars is very simple and very straightforward. So as you can see, I click on euros, so you will have different ways. So if you have money on your Coinbase account, okay, you will be able to transfer that money from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro for absolutely free in a very easy way, okay? As I said, I recommend you to buy and trade on Bitcoin on Coinbase Pro and not Coinbase normal. You can also simply make the transfer with, this is a European thing, so if I'm transferring euros, okay, I can use this and simply make a bank transfer to this address. Now, when it comes to withdrawing money, it's the absolutely same thing. So you will click on withdraw and you will be able to withdraw Bitcoins. So if you have Bitcoins that you've bought and you didn't sell them, you still have Bitcoins on your account and you just want to send them to another Bitcoin address, another Bitcoin wallet, you will be able to do so by withdrawing Bitcoin. If you want to withdraw your euros that you've deposited, or simply you sold Bitcoin and now you want to take out the profits and put it back in your bank, you can do so, and you can basically withdraw in any coin you've been having or any currency. So this was the quick introduction into how to actually deposit and withdraw money from the actual platform, but you haven't bought any cryptos for the moment. So the whole fun comes up here, okay? So you can see one very good thing with, so previously it was called GDAX, now Coinbase Pro, is that you can trade with fiat markets. So what that means is that you can actually buy Bitcoin using fiat money, and fiat money is euros, dollars, pounds, okay? These are called fiat money. So here you can see that everything works by pairs, obviously. So whenever you buy something, you need to sell something else, okay? It's very simple to understand. So all these are euros. You can see I could choose against the US dollar, I could choose Bitcoin, I could choose Ethereum, okay, different ones. However, here, if I wanted to buy Bitcoin and I had deposited euros, I would just go here, so to Bitcoin against euro. And right here, I would go to either buy or sell if I already have some. So you can see I can go to buy. I recommend market, which means you are buying right now, okay? I don't want to make this video complicated and go into limit orders, stop orders, etc. But I'm just showing you how to actually buy crypto. So if you wanted to buy Bitcoin and you had euros on your account, right here, you would go ahead and let's say you want to purchase 3,000 euros worth of Bitcoin. You will see that's your total Bitcoin you are receiving for that amount. And that will be the fee. So as I said, the fee will be smaller on Coinbase Pro, so on that account rather than Coinbase, okay? So there I just have to click on place buy order and I will instantly buy Bitcoins. Now once I do have Bitcoin and let's say the price went up or even down and you want to get rid of your Bitcoins, let's say you are not a person that invests in Bitcoin, you just wanted to have Bitcoin for a month or something, you can just go to sell here and do the exact same process. You sell, and you can click on max if you want to sell all of your Bitcoins, okay? Or you can just put a number, okay? So I can sell 0.10 Bitcoin for a fee of, so that equals to 3,981 euros total, and I have a fee of 20 euros in order to do so. Now, if we go back up here, you can see that we can buy obviously Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. We can buy many different cryptocurrencies you would wish to. Now,
one thing I want to share is that, as I said, so you can trade in a pair with a fiat currency, so for instance the euro. However, if you deposited euros in your account, you bought Bitcoin, so you bought BTC EUR, you bought this, so now you hold Bitcoins. And finally, you still want to hold cryptos, but you want to basically switch it up and own another cryptocurrency without going back to euro and without selling it. So what you do is simply, if you go down, you can see stable coins, so that's USDC, however, crypto market, okay? So you can see that, for instance, Ethereum to Bitcoin, okay? So I could literally exchange Ethereum to Bitcoin, or the opposite if I'm selling, okay? So to give you an idea, one of the transactions I did this morning was, previously I had bought, where is it, Stellar, okay? So I bought XLM using euros, so I bought this. However, from now, I don't want to hold Stellar anymore, and I would rather have my money into Bitcoin. So what I did is simply go here, as you can see, XLM BTC, which means when I sold this, I basically sold my Stellar in order to buy Bitcoin. So my money actually went from euros to Stellar, and from Stellar to Bitcoin. So I hope that made sense. I really want to try and keep this video extra simple to understand. Now, if we look at the rest of the platform, up here you will see your assets. So you can see I have certain amount of money in euros, certain amount of money in Bitcoin. Here you have the order book, which just means people selling, people buying, but not very important. There you have the chart. So up here you will have the time frame. So each little candle you see will be that time frame. So there you can see every single dot is 15 minutes. Okay, if you want to look on a longer term, let's say price chart, you can look at it like this. Okay, and you can see the evolution of Bitcoin. Okay, right down here you will also have all your positions. So right here it says open or fills. Okay, so fills is all the position that have been done by my accounts. Okay, and that's a position I may have open at the moment. Now up here you can see portfolio. So portfolio is when you're going to see your total net worth of the portfolio in your account and your balances. So you can see I have 52% of my account in Bitcoin, 47% in euros. Okay, obviously that's a small portion I have on Coinbase Pro. However, that's a quick way to look at it and look at your totals. Okay, same, you can see the history of all your deposits. So you can see all my deposits I have made, and you can see all the withdrawals also I have personally made. And so this is where you'll be able to see all that. You can also deposit and withdraw from this page. Now, to finish this quick tutorial, there is also an app for iPad or for iPhone, which is called Coinbase Pro, which is exactly the same. You just log in and you will be able to see all your portfolio. You will be able to buy and sell in the same exact way. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, but I get the question so often of how can I buy actual cryptos? So that would be a way, and that's the way I personally do it.
So I want to end this video by giving a warning. I am not making this video for you to buy cryptos or because it's a good time to buy cryptos. I'm making this video because I receive the question so often. Now, to answer if in my opinion cryptocurrencies is a good investment, I'd like to say that for me cryptocurrencies is a good trading asset. However, not a good investment for me personally. Okay, why? Because I like to invest in value. When I'm buying shares, when I'm investing in companies, let's say I'm investing in Apple, I'm basically investing in people coming out of MIT, of Harvard, all putting their brain together, brainstorming, trying to create a new product, trying to create value for the world, okay? And I prefer my money to be in these type of companies that create value, create something at the end of the year, rather than having my money in, let's say, cryptocurrencies, which does not provide anything, and I will only make money if somehow more people want to buy it in the future, okay? That's the only reason. So it's not my personal way of investing, but everyone is obviously different. So now, why do I own some Bitcoins? As I said, I am a trader, so I actually trade Bitcoin sometimes. If I see a good opportunity to buy and sell Bitcoin, I will do it, or for any other cryptocurrency. And then my vision is that I think cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, is a good hedge, okay? So if you don't know what hedging is, it's basically securing yourself from other market movements, okay? So my personal hedge on Bitcoin is if we see the US dollar taking a hit, which it had done over -6% for the past year, and we see other asset classes taking a hit, we see more inflation, potentially Bitcoin could perform very well in this kind of situation, which in that case would be a good hedge, okay? My positions in Bitcoin would in a way hold my portfolio back up, because that would be a good hedge against basically a global meltdown. Now, one thing I would recommend is to only buy Bitcoin when you truly have money and you have cash flow. That's why when you see people like Elon Musk buying Bitcoin, for him it's not a big issue because these people can hold large losses for large amounts of time. Okay, it's not an issue for them because they have cash flow and they have large sums of other type of money. Okay, so same for my case, I do have Bitcoin. However, I could literally hold a losing position on Bitcoin for the next 10 years and it would not change my life. However, if you are quite tight on money, investing in Bitcoin is probably not the good idea. So I just wanted to give out this warning. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If that was the case, please leave a thumbs up. Make sure to comment anything you have or any question you'd like me to answer. I will check every comment. You can also contact me directly on Instagram, which appears right here. On YouTube, I post videos about finance, investments, trading, so make sure to check them out. I publish a video every Sunday, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. It was Elliot. Have an excellent day. Peace.